Do you love sardines? Let me give you a tour of this fantastic store of sardines in Rossio Square, Portugal. Portuguese sardine is known as the best tinned fish in olive oil in the world, a delicacy by excellence. The factory began its operations in 1942, and their fish go through many experienced and talented hands who catch them, who pick them out, and prepare them. They have different products and types of fishes. But my favorite is the Timeless Sardines. Love these beautifully designed cans. I have never seen a store of sardines like this Portuguese sardine. The enormous display of the sardines is so enticing. I'm sure you won't leave the store without buying anything. So when you're in Lisbon, visit their store and discover their story and the history of decades of the art of canning.
This is a cool store. I love it.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you on another adventure.